We're at 5774 Rabbit Creek. This riverfront property sits on about an acre. Let's take a look inside. Sliding glass doors open into one of the living rooms. Got an electric fireplace, wood flooring, and it leads out onto the expansive deck in a couple of different places. Beautiful kitchen, ample cabinetry and KitchenAid appliances. A nice sized walk-in pantry. This side door opens into the yard that's by the driveway. When you first come through, there is a coat closet and a small half bath. Second living space with more closets. And this opens into the two-car garage, which is very full right now. Coming back into the house, there are two master suites. The first one is on the primary or on the main floor. Your laundry room opens into the master closet here. And then goes up into the master bathroom. It's a large tiled shower. Double vanity, and a soaking tub with jets. This ground floor bedroom is a little bit smaller, but again, it is on the first floor, which is always a good thing. And it opens out into that deck. Got beautiful views of the river in the morning. We could hear some road noise from outside because we are very close to Dolphin Island Parkway, but from inside the house it is very quiet. Coming out of this master suite, we'll be back in the main living space. We'll go upstairs, check out the other two bedrooms and the office space. So this loft area is currently being used as an office. Obviously it's a flex space, it could be a million things. But it's a pretty nice office with the view of the river right in front of you. Second master suite is here. It's a very large walk-in closet. Smaller standalone shower and tub. Does have a single vanity in this bathroom instead of a double, but there is ample counter space. And our third bedroom right here. I'll add some outside photos and get this video uploaded here shortly. Let me know what you think.